Abby Brown here from Iowa PBS. Today, my friends Anna and Isabella are going to teach us about a delicious recipe from their family in
Latvia.
So we have some ingredients here for the recipe, but first, what is this recipe called?
Pirage.
Pirage. Did I say it right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, and that translates to?
Bacon bites or bacon pies.
That sounds delicious. So we have some ingredients here. What do we have first of all?
We have dough.
Here's the dough, and you guys made it already. So what were some of the ingredients in here?
Flour, sugar, butter, sour cream.
Sour cream in the dough. That sounds delicious. And of course, yeast. So pretty basic bread recipe, but with that sour cream, that's gonna be
and
delicious.
there's also some salt.
And some salt. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, so what's in the filling?
Bacon, ham, and onion.
Yummy, that sounds so delicious. All right, so what should we do first?
We were going to flour and put it on the table.
Here, and then just dump this out.
Yep.
Now it's already risen once. Oh my gosh, that looks delicious. All right, and then what's the next thing?
Just knead it.
Knead it. All right, you guys look like pros. This is a recipe you've made lots and lots at your house.
Mm-hmm.
Who in your family makes it the best?
My grandma.
Your grandma makes it. Do you agree?
Definitely.
Would this be something you would eat like at breakfast, or is this a treat or a celebration?
Usually we eat them at celebrations, like
Okay.
when we wear the costumes.
Oh, okay. Very good.
But like holidays and stuff. But you can
Maybe
eat them
just
whenever.
anytime?
I think.
They're also sometimes supposed to be treats because they're just like little bites that you can just eat.
Okay, like hors d'oeuvres, kind of. Like a little appetizer bite.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it. I love it. Okay, what's next?
Just take a little bit. All right, now we're gonna roll it out. You don't want it too thin, but
You want it not too thick either.
All right, what's next?
we're gonna take our cup.
Okay, is this a special cup or just one that you found that you feel like it's about the right size?
Yeah.
Just
one that we found.
Okay, and what do you think? Maybe like 3 inches across? Doesn't have to be a specific size,
Yeah,
though,
it can
right?
be whatever you want.
Okay, so we're gonna use it as a love it. Oh yeah, skills. Those are good skills. I like that a lot. What do I do with this part? Just put it back in the pile?
Yep.
All right. And now what?
Now you just flatten it out with your hands a little bit more.
Okay.
So then you can put 2 spoons of.
With half a teaspoon.
Yeah.
Okay, so 2 of those. You go ahead.
I'm just gonna do one big
Oh,
one.
okay, one big one. Feels like you guys don't exactly follow the recipe exactly. You just have a feeling for it.
Uh-huh.
Now that is a sign of a true chef.
And then you take it like a pocket and you fold it over.
Yep. And then you start patting it down with your fingers.
Pinch the sides together.
Okay,
And then-
okay.
After you take the cup, and then
Uh-huh.
you will.
Oh, that's what gives it that perfect shape. And this is just another cup you found in your kitchen.
Yeah.
It's about the right size. Okay, love it.
From here, you'll flip it and then pat it down.
All right, ladies, so we've assembled the recipe. Go ahead and place the last one. We put spray on the pan and we started the oven to how much?
350.
All right, and there's one last step before they go in. And what is it?
To put the egg on top.
All right, so do the honors. All right, perfect. I'll take that for you. And then scramble it up a little bit, right? Why do you put egg on top?
That's what makes it golden.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. So now they go in the oven for how long?
Until they're golden brown.
And we don't know how long it will be, so we have to keep our eye on them, right?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay. You wanted them golden brown. Does it look like they're done?
Yes.
Ah, they look delicious. So normally we would take a bite right out of the oven, but that is really too hot. So should we take a bite of one of these?
Sure.
Let's do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Mmm. That's delicious. Are they as good as you've had at home? Mm. Isabella and Anna and I made the most delicious Latvian recipe today called
Pirage.
What adventures will you go on? Have fun with it.
Ata!